Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Val, and welcome for our new series sa channel ko. Alright, for today's video po is we're going to talk about how to start up an online business. Nagawa po ako ng series that talks about business. So for today's video, pag-uusapan po natin kung paano mag-start up ng isang online business. Tama. So, kung ikaw ay isang nanay na nasa bahay lang at gustong magka-extra income by doing some online business kasi nga it's too in demand na siya ngayon kasi even using Facebook, you can start up a business, di ba? Kahit nasa bahay ka pa. But since you're a mother or like you're a working woman or a working man who wanted to start up an online business but doesn't know kung saan magsisimula at paano simulan ito o paano i-execute ito. So, go ahead and keep watching because by the end of this video, may matutunan ka. And yun if you wanted to learn more about the online business, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and don't forget to click the notification bell para sa susunod na video guys, manonotify ka na nag-upload na naman po ako. So, if you are new to my channel, hi, I am Val, and on my channel, I talk about business, I talk about beauty tips, I talk about parenthood, talk about travel. So, ayan, tinanggal ko muna po yung eyeglasses ko kasi parang nadidistract po yung viewers. So, meron ba kayong idea ngayon kung paano simulan yung isang online shop? Actually, it's not the capital, it's not the inventory, it's not about ang item na ibibenta mo. No, hindi po yun. Number 1 tip na dapat unang-unang mong gawin para mag-start ng isang online business or kahit anong business pa yan is i-prepare mo a lot. Mag-prepare ka ng mindset mo. Kung magsimula ng isang online shop, there is going to be 2 questions before you start. 2 questions na kailangan mong sagutin sa sarili mo. That is, 1, ano yung mission mo? Ano yung vision mo? How do you visualize your online shop 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now? Yung pangalawang question is, pinaka-importanting, dapat sagutin mo sa sarili mo is, what is the reason bakit ka nag-start up ng isang online shop? Most likely, ang mga sagot dyan is, gusto kong magkaroon ng extra income. Well, gusto kong mag-travel. Nakita ko kasi yung friend ko na nag-online seller din siya. At saka nakakapag-travel siya abroad. Nakakapag-travel siya kung saan-saan. At gusto ko rin ma-experience yon. Tumigil na sa pagtatrabaho at mag-negosyo na lang kasi hawak ko yung oras ko. Diba? Ganda ng mga reasons na yun. But it's all connected to one reason, and that is because the money. Parang money lang yung reason kung bakit gusto nyong mag-start up ng isang online shop, which is one wrong reason. Of course, nagninegosyo ka kasi nga gusto mong kumita, diba? Sino ba naman ninegosyo ayaw kumita? Isa lang yung masasabi ko. Kung nag-start up ka ng isang online business, put in your mind that it's not all about the money. Kasi if you keep thinking about the money, your online business or whatever business you have hindi siya kikita or hindi siya mag-grow. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi every small detail about the money, like, oh my God, I have a meetup tomorrow. Isang tao lang yun. At saka, yung pamasahe ko dodoble kasi may schedule na naman ako na meet up sa susunod. Ano ba naman yun? Ang dami kong expenses for the fare. Oh my God, ito lang yung kinita ko. Ang liit-liit. Ang liit-liit. Paano ako asenso nito? Paano ako makakapag-travel kung ganito lang yung kita ko? So kung yung palagi mong iniisip about pera, you will never grow if you keep thinking about negativity. So, kapag nag-start ka din ng isang negosyo, you have to prepare your mind at the problem solving is non-stop. Unexperienced online business or a small entrepreneur, you don't have enough experience to run through to this one or execute your online shop, problemang darating sa'yo, and you need to prepare yourself to not to run away from the problem but to find a solution for your problem. Don't think about this as your main source of income. Magsisimula ka ng isang online shop at gagawin mo siyang main source of income mo, which is wrong. Hindi lalago yung business mo kapag ganyan. At saka, isa pa ding tip for dyan, na kailangan may prepare yung sarili mo. Prepare to work 16 hours or more than that. Starting an online business or starting a business, you actually not going to have a time freedom yet. Of course, by the time that your business will grow, you will have starting up your business. Of course, you will have to invest your time, your effort. Gusto mong mag-design at mag-online business na lang kasi nga napapagod ka na sa 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. na duty mo. But this is one thing that you need to realize. When you start a business, you will be working like 16 hours or more than that. I've been there. Yung business mo is like your baby. Newborn baby, at hindi mo siya pwedeng iwan ng basta-basta na lang nang hindi pa niya kayang tumayong mag-isa. Dapat ilagay mo sa utak mo na ang business ay parang newborn baby that they can't live alone if wala ka. Kasi ikaw yung founder ng business na yan. Ikaw yung nagsimula niyan. Dapat ikaw yung mag-aalaga. Kinakailangan yung time, yung effort mo is mas doble pa yung ginagawa mo. So, kung ikaw ay isang nanay ngayon at yun yung ginagawa mo sa newborn baby mo, then yun yung gagawin mo sa iyong bagong business. Right? So, part then ng preparation ng mindset mo is you need to prepare to learn more. It's a never-ending learning process if you are starting a business or starting an online business. You need to learn how to market, you need to learn what are the tactics, you need to learn how to sell. Marami pa yung mga process na kinakailangan mong tututunan along the way. Then, you need to prepare yourself since you're working like 16 hours, 15 hours, or more than that when you're starting your business. You have to prepare your body. Yes, because you will get tired, you will get sick, and there will be a time that you will feel unmotivated, especially if your business is not doing well in the middle of your execution. So you need to prepare yourself for that. Although if you're unmotivated, you can go ahead and pause muna, magpahinga ka, but never stop. Kasi yung mga success stories, behind the success stories of some of those successful entrepreneurs is that they never stop. So, ayun na nga. Sana mayroon kayo natutunan sa video ito at sana na-prepare or na-enhance ko yun or parang napukaw ko yung mga mata ninyo or napukaw ko yung mga isipan ninyo kung ano yung dapat i-prepare sa mga sarili nyo at saka ano yung mga dapat i-expect nyo if you wanted to start an online business, guys. So that's it for today. If you like my video, please go ahead and click the like button below, of course, and of course don't forget to comment kung ano yung online business na gusto nyong i-start, ano yung mga product na gusto nyong i-start, and then sa susunod na video is yung tip number 2 na naman yung pag-uusapan natin at malalaman nyo yun kung magsusubscribe kayo sa aking channel. Yes. Okay? You can also follow me on my Instagram. Ito yung Instagram ko, guys. Okay? And for my previous video, it was all about KILAY goals, kung paano gumawa ng KILAY. And if you wanted to check that, I will link it below also. Okay? So, thank you so much, and I will see you on my next videos. Bye-bye!